What's up guys, today we have the Google Pixel 3 XL and this is a super exciting unboxing. We have a ton of accessories here sent all by Google, so shout out to Google for that. We really appreciate you sending this device for us to basically use, test out, and compare against other phones as well. So we'll be comparing this for sure against the XS Max that Apple just released last month. Now let's go over what they sent us with this whole package that they sent us with the Pixel 3. So we have some documentation here. Basically, it's a rundown of the Pixel 3, what new features there are, and everything like that. Pretty simple, went through it, not too much information there, but just a few helpful tips. Now, they also sent us the My Case, which is basically a clear case that goes with the Pixel. And then we have the Google Pixel Stand, which I'm really interested in seeing because it has basically a docking mode / wireless charging functionality. So I'm super excited to test that out. That will probably be in a separate video, but I'll just unbox it here for you guys as well. And then we have the Team Pixel fanny pack. That's super awesome. I'm super excited to rock that. I've never had a fanny pack, so I'll check that out. But nevertheless, let's start digging into the Google Pixel 3 XL. So basically, this is their large version of the Google Pixel 3. So it has two tabs on either side here. And this is the white version, and it has that sort of green power button on the side. So I'm super excited to check this one out. I didn't really want to see the black or the pink colors. Those were kind of a little bit weird to me. But let's clear all of this documentation out here. Move this to the side. And here is the Pixel 3. So let's just pull it out of the box here. Similar to an Apple unboxing, you have the phone here. They have actually identical, let's just set this over here for a second. They have an identical unboxing experience almost here so far, in that we have this piece here, which the phone sits on top of, and then we have some documentation. This also has a SIM tool in it, and it shows you how to take your SIM card out, put it in, or the SIM tray out, and then put your SIM card in, and then put it back on. Some documentation here. Wow, they even have stickers. See, I've never unboxed a Google phone, Android phone, really. So they do have stickers, just like Apple. That's pretty cool. They have a hashtag there. That's awesome. Let's put that to the side here. Looks like these are headphones. So these are the Pixel Buds, I believe, that they include with the Pixel devices. And I will definitely be taking a close look at these simply because I want to compare them against the included earpods that come with the iPhone lineup. So it looks like here that they have, it goes to USB-C, which is the connection type for this device. We'll check those out later to see how they are compared to the earbuds that are included with all iPhone devices. So we'll put that over there. Looks like we have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and then an adapter here for USB-A. So that's really cool. So adapter there. And then thankfully we have a USB-C to headphone jack dongle. So as you guys may know, there is no headphone jack on the Google Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL. So you will have to use a dongle if you want an aux in, but that's really cool. They include that in the box. And it looks like we have a power brick here. So this would be essentially what I would be using. Just plug one end of this into the power brick and then the other end into the phone. Now, obviously, you'll be getting a quick charging with the USB-C to USB-C connection with this power brick here, so that's really cool to have. I really wish Apple would have sort of included a USB-C to Lightning port connection, just because charging is a little bit slow when you don't have that connection. So we have the Google Pixel 3. Let's go ahead and take this out here. kind of folds out and then comes off. So that looks really clean. And honestly, for the glass back here and the glass front, obviously, it is not too heavy. If we are comparing like basically just weight of the bare phone, the Google Pixel 3 XL is actually very, very light compared to the iPhone 10. They both have glass backs, but obviously the Google Pixel uses a little bit more plastic than the iPhone. I'll definitely be checking that out, see if it's more premium or equal in quality to the iPhone XS Max or the iPhone XS. But so far, I kind of like the Google Pixel 3 XL compared to the XS weight-wise, simply because the iPhone seems a little bit too heavy, and when you're using it with one hand, it gets a little bit heavy with one-handed use, and obviously, you know, moving your finger to the top, it's just a little bit more strenuous with the XS Max. So that's really cool. Excited to check that out and compare the two. But let's go ahead and turn on the Google Pixel 3 XL. Just get a first setup experience here. Okay, so this is the Google Pixel 3 XL. It's all set up. I'm super excited to take a look, but that was sort of the setup process for the Pixel 3, and I really have to get used to these controls. It's similar to the iPhone in the sense that we can switch over. I think if we open up multiple apps here, we can switch over using that. So I'll have to read some directions on that, check out this device, and give it a full review, but super excited to check that out. Let's just go ahead and put that aside for just 1 second and check out the rest of what they sent us. So the Google Pixel stand is definitely something that if you are getting a Google Pixel, they recommended getting. It's kind of a really useful accessory. Obviously, you're getting wireless charging with this Pixel stand, so that's really cool, but it also has a really cool docking feature as well. So I'll be checking that out in the full review, but in the meantime, oh, that sort of just pops out there. So in the meantime, we'll just check this out. Looks like a pretty sturdy stand. Everything is made out of rubber on the sides. Doesn't have much flex in it. It won't go back when you put your phone on it, so not any flex really at all. Stick that on there. Has a really good bottom to it, so that is all rubber, so it won't be going anywhere. Very hard to move. So very sturdy. I really, really like that. I really wish Apple came out with a wireless charger. I've definitely been waiting for that. If you cannot see, it has USB-C in here. So USB-C is the connection type. So I'm assuming that you will get fast wireless charging. Again, I'll have that in the review, some more information on that. So guys, that is the Google Pixel 3 XL. We have the Google Pixel stand here, the Google Pixel 3 XL, of course, the case, which we didn't really take a look at, but we'll have a review on that. And we just have all this stuff here that Google has sent over. Super excited to take a look and do a full review on this device and then compare it to the iPhone XS and XS Max. So we are definitely excited to view these two phones and kind of see which one would be the best for the end user. Now, obviously, I'm an Apple fan, so this is going to have a really hard time convincing me, but nevertheless, we will take a look and see what's what. So guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for an upcoming review and comparison of the Google Pixel 3 XL. Thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.